What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the ProstaVive before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the ProstaVive works. What is ProstaVive? ProstaVive is a dietary supplement specifically formulated to promote prostate health in men of all ages. With increasing awareness around prostate health, especially among aging men, ProstaVive emerges as a proactive solution to support urinary flow, enhance sexual vitality, and improve overall prostate function. Unlike many traditional supplements that focus solely on symptom relief, ProstaVive takes a holistic approach by targeting the root causes of prostate issues, particularly blood circulation and cell metabolism. This supplement is designed to be simple to incorporate into daily routines. Users only need to mix 1 scoop of the powder with water or their favorite beverage. The unique blend of natural ingredients works synergistically to support prostate health, enhance energy levels, and promote restful sleep. Moreover, ProstaVive is crafted in a facility that adheres to stringent quality control standards, ensuring that every scoop delivers the potency and effectiveness promised. With a growing base of satisfied customers, ProstaVive is quickly gaining a reputation as a reliable ally in the fight against prostate-related issues, making it a noteworthy contender in the health supplement market. Does ProstaVive work? One of the key questions surrounding any supplement is its efficacy. ProstaVive claims to work by enhancing blood circulation to the prostate, thereby promoting overall prostate health and function. This is crucial because healthy blood flow is essential for properly functioning the prostate and the urinary system. The natural ingredients in ProstaVive have been selected based on scientific research, with many of them used in traditional herbal medicine for centuries. Users of ProstaVive have reported noticeable improvements in urine flow, sexual vitality, and overall well-being shortly after starting the regimen. Many men have shared their rejuvenated experiences with increased energy levels and enhanced moods. Consistency is key when taking any supplement, and ProstaVive encourages users to take it regularly to achieve maximum benefits. While individual results may vary, the formulation has garnered positive feedback, suggesting that it works effectively for many. Therefore, if you are considering a supplement to bolster your prostate health, ProstaVive appears to be a promising option backed by real-world testimonials. Who makes ProstaVive? ProstaVive is produced by a reputable company committed to quality and customer satisfaction. The company focuses on creating dietary supplements that promote overall health and well-being, particularly on prostate health. They prioritize sourcing high-quality, natural ingredients and adhere to strict manufacturing standards to ensure the safety and efficacy of their products. With a team of experts in nutrition and health sciences, the company behind ProstaVive is dedicated to delivering products that meet the needs of its customers. Its commitment to transparency and quality has earned it a loyal customer base, with many users praising ProstaVive's effectiveness in supporting prostate health. This credibility is an essential factor to consider when choosing a supplement, as it reflects the company's dedication to providing effective and safe health solutions.